Gavana Mameru Kawira Mwangaza pod biro medo bede apisi bang' doho mamalo miye resruok kendo choro nyime chik matamo ng'ata gole oko e apisi. Doho mamalo kawuono nogolo chikno kokalo kuom Justice Bahati Mwamuye manong'ado ni Mwangaza omi thuolo mar bede apisi ma oko chande kuom ndalo 120 kapod idhi nyime gi winjo bura mane ochwal ka okwedo okang' mar od buch Senate gole oko e apisi. Mwangaza yande oyudore kamarach bang' kane ogole oko gi senators bang' ka MCAs bende nogoyo ombulu mondo ogole e ofis.
It is clear to my mind that the respondent and also the Senate have no real or significant prejudice that they would suffer if the interim orders were confirmed and extended pending the hearing and determination of the petition. The petitioner, on the other hand, would stand to suffer potentially irreversible and irreparable harm and prejudice if the orders sought were not granted, confirmed, and extended. During the highlighting of written submissions in this matter, Counsel for the respondent and Counsel for the third interested party both submitted at length that any prejudice that would potentially be suffered by the petitioner could be adequately compensated by way of money damages. However, while that would apply to lost remuneration, money damages cannot compensate for other harm and prejudice that would potentially arise from being removed from office and thereafter being reinstated if the petition were to succeed.